Okay, welcome back to my new video on if-else statements in Golang. All right, so let's jump right into the IDE because if-else statements in Golang is very straightforward. So I'm going to create a new directory. Call it if-else. And then a Go file, which I'm going to call main. So within the main function, I'm going to start with the keyword if. Let me declare a variable first. Let me call it A is equal to, let's say 10. Let me call it A, comma B, 10 and let's say 7. Okay, so I can say if A modulo 2 is equal to 0, I want to print ten is even. Okay. Else, I want to say seven is odd. Okay. So let me just make it even B, and then this should be 2. Let me just do it this way. So A is 10, B is 2. So I'm saying that 10 divided by 2, if the remainder is 0, then we say 10 is even. Else, else 10 is odd. Okay, so this is the if-else condition or if-else statement. So let's run this. So you can see 10 is even. So let's try this. If 8 modulo 4 is equal to 0, then we want to print 8 is divisible by 4. Okay, so let's run this. You can see 8 is divisible by 4. And then let's try another one. So I'm going to start with some condition. If I'm going to declare a variable called n, and then I'm going to call it 9. And then I'm going to check n. If n is less than 0, I want to print n, comma, is negative. Okay, I want to print that this number is negative. Else, if n is less than 10, I want to print that what n has 1 digit. Okay. If this is less than 10, then we say it's what? It's a 1-digit number. Okay. Else, which is the final statement, we can say n, and then we can say has multiple digits. Okay. So these are all the conditions. We declared a variable with this value n, and that n has 9 in there. And then we want to check this condition. If 9 is less than 0, then it means that we want to print that 9 is a negative number. Else, if 9 is less than 10, then we want to print 9 has 1 digit. Else, everything else, 9 has multiple digits. So this is one way of declaring a variable and a condition on the same line. So take notice of this. You might see it in a lot of code. You can declare a variable here and then go ahead and check it against some condition. Yeah, so this is all for the if-else conditions. It's very straightforward. And I think it should be familiar if you've had some sort of programming class or programming lessons or background. This should be straightforward, except this new type of declaring variable and at the same time checking it against some condition. So if you love this video, you like it, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.